Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today it's going to be a quick video. We're going to do one for RSR Token. You guys can see that currently off of our price prediction that the market got snagged right there around the penny, and then the market completely fell off. What's going to happen next? Well, currently you guys can see that the trend is down, so apparently we might lean more towards looking for RSR Token to continue to go in that direction. Let's go ahead and hit the like button, share, and subscribe as I go into this updated prediction for this currency. So now, you can see though, first of all, I want to break down as to why you could have known that the market in reserve rights was going to continue to go up because of the many days that these buyers got stuck. These buyers got stuck right there around a penny. Like, look how many days it took for the buyers to give up and relinquish control of price and gave it to the sellers. Like, this market gave us numerous opportunities to say, hey, something's not right. Something is going on in the market to where we can't have these buyers break this pocket of selling. And that's what it was. It was the sellers. The sellers was the one getting in the way of the buyers continuing to try to lift the market. So hopefully you was able to grab something out of the market, because the market was speaking and telling us, look, you might only get 5 3/4% out of this move. That was it. All right, so let's go to get rid of that. And we're going to continue to keep this sell pocket here, because as you can tell, buyers did not take that area out. Next thing we're going to do is add another sell pocket though for reserve rights, and we're going to get rid of this sliver of buy pocket. First I want to show you how the market in reserve rights actually tried to hold that pocket right there on the 23rd of July. Isn't that crazy? We created this area because we saw on a smaller time frame that buyers were definitely here, and they attempted to hold the market on the 23rd. But as you can tell, more volatility came in on the 24th and 25th. So ultimately, we're trading at this next buy pocket. So do you think we're going to get a bounce here then? Right there around 7,500 points. Because if so, then this may be an opportunity to come in and see this cryptocurrency try to lift up higher price. But that might not be the case. All right, so let's look at this on the 2. Okay, so this is the last 2-day price bar right there that printed, and it nested right there on top of the buy pocket. Do you think that's going to hold? Do you think the buy pocket is going to hold? Because here it is on the 3, 12 hours left. You guys can see that the market currently is getting a pretty wide spread bar and price closing down at the bottom. If that happens, if we see the market in reserve rights token close at the bottom like it is now, then we need to anticipate the market in reserve rights trying to find area right around here. Okay, let's look at this on the 4. Oh yeah, the 4 definitely looks weak. I don't like that 4-day bar there. Here it is on the 5. Take a look at reserve rights on the weekly. So far that definitely looks weak. So let's look at this on the 11-hour chart. What I want to do is I want us to see if we can grab some areas of buyers. Let's look at this on the 330. Okay, so maybe right around here. For the first area. And then let's do another one right here. Okay, so I definitely like this one too. So now we hit this back on the daily chart and see. I'm going to get rid of this buy pocket because I don't think that's going to hold. And we're going to try to see the price move come to one of these other 3 pockets of buying. So let's go ahead and put this on the chart. And let's lift this up a little bit. And our first target is going to be around 67.25. Gives us around 10.25% move there. Next pocket, 6,500 points, 13.5. Third pocket, 17.5% at 61, almost 6,200 points. All right, so we'll do that, and we'll see precisely where the market's going to go, because it's definitely weak. There's no doubt about it. The daily chart, the 4-day time frame, all of these price bars with this very wide spread, price closing on the bottom of the bar, lends us to maintain that the market is weak. We just don't know how low it's going to go. So that's why we're going to try to target those 3 pockets down there at the bottom. And I am finished. Let me know your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.